Students, you are welcome here. Today we are going to learn about voice. Now this is the time for present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. We know sentence formation of this tense. Subject is am, first form, then ing, then object. This is sentence formation in active voice. एक्टिव वॉइस में जो सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन है वो क्या है? सब्जेक्ट इज अ देन फर्स्ट फॉर्म देन आईएनजी देन ऑब्जेक्ट. इन पैसिव वॉइस व्हाट विल बी द डिफरेंस? वी नो स्टूडेंट्स, हियर वी ऑलवेज यूज पास्ट पार्टिसिपल ना. तो सब्जेक्ट इज एम पास्ट पार्टिसिपल मींस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. इज इट राइट? ऑफ कोर्स इट इज राइट, बट before it you will write here ing, that is you will write here being, then third form of the verb, then object. This is the sentence formation in passive voice. हम passive voice में कैसे change करेंगे? is ever, then being, then third form of the verb. Example: Tom is building a house. Means is building, that is present continuous tense. How it will change it? Is a third form of the verb and ing हट क्या हो जाएगा? being. Then object is house. Then how we write here as a subject? A house is being built by a house. ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट बनाएंगे. इज आईएनजी हट के बीइंग हो जाएगा. बिल्ड की थर्ड फॉर्म क्या हो जाएगी? बिल्ड, देन हेल्पिंग वर्ब बाय, देन सब्जेक्ट जो ऑब्जेक्ट बन गया बाय. टॉम मींस अ हाउस इज बीइंग बिल्ट बाय टॉम. दिस इज पैसिव वॉइस. वी विल राइट हियर वन मोर सेंटेंस इज देयर. ही is running a race. सब्जेक्ट बना दें क्या हो जाएगा? A race is being run by he का. he का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस क्या हो जाएगा? him. he का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस क्या होता है? him. this is simple sentence. then we will use not. एग्जाम्पल नेगेटिव के लिए सी इज नॉट राइटिंग अ नोवेल. सी इज नॉट राइटिंग अ नोवेल. देन ऑब्जेक्ट क्या बनाएंगे? सब्जेक्ट. अ नोवेल इज नॉट not written. Is it right? Is it right if you will write here in this manner? No, because first of all we have write here ing means being. We will use here is a verb, then being. Then after not we will write here being. Written by her. She is not writing a novel. Then how will write here? A novel is not being written by her. One more example. They are not flying a kite. They are not flying a kite. Then how we will change it? A kite is object. Then we will write here as a subject a kite. दे प्लूरल था, आर लिखा, बट अ काइट इज सिंगुलर है तो इज लिखेंगे. इज नॉट बीइंग फ्लाई फ्लो फ्लाई फ्लू फ्लोन फ्लोन बाय देम. दिस इज नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस, interrogative. Then how we will write here? they flying a kite. Are helping verb is there. Then in passive voice we will also write helping verb. A kite singular. Then we will write here is a kite being flown by. Then question. If we mention here double family word, then we will write here why are they flying a kite. Then double family का वर्ड जब आता है तो हम स्टार्टिंग में लिखते हैं why, because another interrogative sentence is there in active voice. Then in passive voice we will also write here interrogative sentence. Active में interrogative लिखा है तो passive में भी वैसे लिखेंगे. तो why as it is रहेगा why. are है according to subject, लेकिन यहाँ पे subject आकर लेंगे तो कैसे हो जाएगा why is a kite being flown by. These are interrogative sentence. How we will change it? The less formal word is there, then as it is written. According to subject, I हम use क्या put according to. अब हम एक kite को subject बनाएंगे तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा is a kite. ing पे क्या हो जाएगा being. Fly का third form क्या हो जाएगा flown by them. So these are simple negative and interrogative sentence. How we will use these? Because present continuous tense, in active voice we know is there not, then first form, then ing. But in passive voice, how we will change it? Subject is ever helping verb say, then being, then third form the verb, then object. Is ever as it is रहेगा, ing हट के be के साथ अटैच हो जाएगा, being हो जाएगा, set first form change into third form of the verb, then object. So this is present continuous tense. Thank you for watching the video everyone.